News from BlackBull markets. Behind me, the chart of the pound yen GJ. This is a monthly time frame. We're going to do a top-down analysis on this, given the recent momentum and a lot of the bulls flying back into the pound, especially against the dollar. We're seeing that at 142. Pound yen notably at that key 155.70 level, which has been a resistance going all the way back to 2008. Now, more notably, we had that big Brexit candle here initially, if you recall, back in 2016, which took the pound yen from 155 all the way down to the 120s. Now, ever since then, we have touched that level once before, back in 2017, and now we've come back and hit it again. 155.75 was recently touched, and we crossed 156 last week, and ever since the market opened, we've had a bit of a cool-off. But what we can see is that if markets do start, if they decide to clear this key psychological resistance level, we do have targets above the 160 mark to note, and those are where your other resistance sit from 2016, 2017. Moving higher than that, there is a notable gap in the market there around the 180 mark. Now that's a very bullish scenario, but anything is possible in the pound yen. As you know, this pair moves pretty fast, and the RSI still has space to move higher. Now, if we skip to the 1 hour time frame, I really like the look of this, because what we can see is that big push up, Japanese retail sales coming up decade highs. We cleared that 154 mark and then cleared 155 comfortably, 156 to finish off the week, and then Memorial Day slowed down momentum, and we struggled to break above and close above that 156 mark. Did have a bit of a cool off down to a key near-term support area, or fib extension rather, at the 78%, and then look to bounce up. So what we could see as the European and US session starts to kick in and the trading week really kicks into gear, we could see markets test or look to hit new support levels to take it then higher past 156. That's the aim. Of course, we've had that big push, almost 150 pips in a short time frame last Thursday's trading session, so we could get a reversal. Looking at 155 as another support, 154 potentially below that. You could think about setting some limits and some tight stops at those lows, and then looking to potentially clear 156 and go above that should the momentum continue. Of course, RSI does have a bit more room to move to the upside on the higher time frames. It's somewhat overbought rather. So we could see buyers come back in and take pound yen past those key critical highs into new territory, possibly heading up to the 160 mark. So do stay in tune with this chart. If you're looking to trade the reversal, do be careful, because the trend is pretty strong to the upside. So trade safe, follow the trends, and all the best.